Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Guildwood Village is a beautiful neighborhood in Scarborough, Ontario. It was originally the dream of Rosa and Spencer Clark, who opened the Guild Inn in 1932 as a retreat for artists. The inn became a center for creativity, known as the Guild of All Arts. It welcomed artists, craftsmen, and even served as a naval base during World War II. After the war, the Clarks turned their land into the charming residential community we know today, working with planners to create a unique neighborhood. Guildwood Village was built to feel like a garden, with winding streets, buried utility lines, and mature trees that create a peaceful, green atmosphere. The centerpiece here is the Guild Park and Gardens, filled with sculptures and historical relics from old buildings around Toronto. This park sits atop the Scarborough Bluffs, giving stunning views of Lake Ontario and offering great walking trails. So whether you're here to enjoy the art, history, or nature, Guildwood Village offers a peaceful escape.